welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you 5 lipstick swatches which are the best for winters and also for Christmas, New Year or like the wedding season. So if you want to know what are those 5 lip swatches, then please continue watching. So guys, I am wearing this kurta which I bought from Trell app. So Trell is offering you 70% discount and free delivery on every product that you purchase from their application. Also, you will get an additional 25% discount if you use my coupon code. So guys, this is the AKS straight kurta. So there is this white kurta with prints on it. So they have this orange and green prints on this, and it's a long kurta, super comfortable to wear for all seasons. And here you can see a clip of how I am completing the order process after applying my coupon code, and here you can also see the product MRP, Trell price and the money that you are saving. So make sure that you order this kurta. So Trell has introduced a new program which is known as Trell Cash. So all you have to do is complete the given challenges on the application, and once you do that you get to earn Trell Cash. So 1 Trell Cash is equal to 1 rupee, and also you can redeem those Trell Cash while you check out. Also, if you're wondering how you can get your favorite products at the cheapest rate, so Trell has the best discounts going on. It is their end of season sale going on with the best brand collections, unbeatable discount offers. So what are you waiting for? Start shopping from the Trell app because it is their end of season sale going on. So rest of the information is here up on the screen. The link for this kurta will be given down in the description. And now let's get started with our video. So the first lipstick that I'm gonna use is a lip crayon actually, and it is from Faces Canada. It's their Faces Canada Ultime Pro. It's a matte lip crayon and it is in the shade Pink Pout. So I'm gonna apply that. So this is how the shade looks like. It is absolutely amazing. Since it's a lip crayon, it glides on like super easily. So if you don't like a very matte drying effect, you can always apply lip balm just like I did. So before applying this lipstick, I applied like a very little lip balm so that it gives like a very moisturized look. So I'm absolutely loving this lipstick. It's a lip crayon actually. I'm gonna put down the link for all the lipsticks I'm gonna use in this video. Next up here, I'm using this Lakme Absolute Melt Liquid Lip Color, and this one is in the shade Pink Poison, and I'm going to use this. It is a semi-matte actually, and this is like transfer proof. It does not transfer on to your things. So I'm gonna apply that. Well, this is also a very beautiful matte pink shade. Back my life inside a car, hit the button, drive real far, put that record on me like, I'm dreaming. So this is the shade. It's beautiful, pretty pink shade. Looks absolutely stunning, can go on any outfit that you wear. So this one is the Lakme Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color. Moving on to the next lipstick. This one's from My Glam. It's the Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick. and this one is in the shade Love Bomb. It is a pink shade and it also looks really beautiful on any outfit that you wear. Also the packaging of this is like super cute, so I'm gonna apply this shade now. So this is the pink shade, it's Love Bomb. I also love this. Both the shades are like pretty different. The one from Lakme and from Mailand. So there is another one more lipstick which is in the pink shade. So this one is from Bellora Paris, it's the Leave No Evidence, and this one's in the shade Dragon's Pink, and this is also a very beautiful shade. It's a matte liquid lipstick and I absolutely love the packaging. It's so rich, so luxurious, and this is like amazing. I've used it once or twice, so I'm gonna give you a swatch. So well, all these are like the new collections that I've added in my vanity.
Lately I've been feeling down. I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same. Oh, like my life inside a car, hit the button, drive real far, but that record only die.
So now the next shade is from Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color, and again this one is in the shade Nude, and again this one is a very pretty shade, very beautiful, goes on every outfit. So even the packaging is like super cute. So I'm gonna apply that now.
Reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high. You can't wait to see me now, 'cause lately you've been feeling down.
So guys, these are the 5 lipstick shades I think which are the must-have, especially for the winter season or the Christmas since it's coming up. So I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I know like the 4 shades were like in the pinks, but they were like different pinks, and I'm sure if you are a fan of pink shades, then it will be easier for you to choose from the 4 shades that I've already shown you. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notification so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social medias, links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well, and also don't forget to click on the link for this kurta. If you like this kurta, make sure that you click on the link and buy your favorite product, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.